Today you will learn how to draw here. So go to place, choose your desired image. So here we have placed our image. Go to image trace option. As you can see, this is a by default option. Here we can change according to our requirements. As you can see that I have selected 3 colors option, so the image will be changed. So here we can also use sketched art, as the image we used was also a sketch. Here we can also see more options related to image trace. Here we can adjust the threshold. As you can see, as I change the threshold, the image will be adjusted accordingly. So we close this. As you can see, our image has been designed. Here I am using another example. So go to place, choose your desired image. So here is another image. Same, we will go to image trace. Here I will go to colors option. I have selected the 6 colors option. As you can see the result. Here I have also changed the colors option. I can adjust accordingly. I can also select more colors. Go to expand, and now we will ungroup this. Select the direct selection tool and remove all the unnecessary part. Here I am removing the unnecessary parts. Select the eraser tool. This will help you to remove the unwanted parts. If you cannot see eraser, then you can use Essential Classic. Here I am removing the unwanted parts. Here is another example. So I am going to teach you another method that we can use to draw hairs manually. We will select the pen tool, and now we will select the hairs. Go to fill and remove the fill color, so we can easily select the hairs. As you can see, I am using the pen tool to draw hairs. I am just selecting the hair parts and make them you can zoom in and zoom out to clearly select the hair. Here you can press the Alt key to fix this. Here I am drawing some simple hairs patterns. You can also make them neat and clean as you want. Here I am giving you just an idea. This process is very time consuming, but you can, if you want to get the results quickly, then you can use the image trace option, because this option will take some time. So here I have selected, and now I am selecting the opacity 60%, so I can see the hairs below this layer easily. So I can draw the hairs. Go to layers panel, and here is the layer we have created. Now I am creating another layer. This layer will be to draw the hairs. Select the pen tool and make click and drag, and now we will adjust and make a simple hair. I am using direct selection tool to adjust this. I have made a simple hair strand. Select the I am selecting the color, and now what I will do, I am removing the background image. Just unlock and now remove. I have selected a darker color for the hair main background image, and now I am using a light color for hair strands. You can make this roughly. You can also add more detail by adding different hair sizes and also different colors of the hair strands. Adjust the hair as the hairs are in the proper directions. Simply make different copies of the hairs